Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in Lufthansa online. You can check in online for Lufthansa starting 30 hours before your scheduled departure for most flights. So firstly what you need to do is you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar, type down Lufthansa, check in and enter it. So over here from the Lufthansa official website, click onto this online check-in. And once you click over here, what you can do is scroll a bit down. Over here, you can find check-in online now for the Lufthansa. Over here, you need to type down your booking reference or your ticket number. And what you need to do is you need to type down your first name and your last name as well. And after that, click onto this confirm. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction, confirm your travel details, choose or change your seat if available, and you can add checked baggage if needed. And after that, you can download, save, or print your boarding pass. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.